Justice has a price, and they pay it daily. Dive in. The most heartbreaking police encounters begin now.
Drop the gun!
Denver, Colorado, around 6:10 p.m. on March 1st. A man was reported to have carjacked a vehicle and driven straight to a convenience store, where he assaulted and held 2 employees hostage in a locked room. Upon receiving the emergency report, police rushed to the scene.
What's going on, man? Who?
There was the knife.
Where's it?
Inside that room.
So there's a robbery? Okay, hold on, I'm gonna look for you. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your gun away right now. Stay outside. Hey, Denver police, open the door!
Open the door! Open the fucking door!
Come out! Is there anyone else in? Hey, where's the cadet? Or someone? See if there's anyone else inside. Just him or...
Open the door!
Open the door! Hey, just open the door and lay on the ground, man. This ain't gonna resolve real easily. No, I can't. I think he just got a knife, but I'm unsure.
Officers firmly ordered the man to open the door, but it remained locked. Inside the room, the man was holding a sharp object threatening one of the employees. With no time to hesitate, the officers decided to force the door open.
Has anyone got a key? That's the manager. He's got a key.
Got it?
All right.
Facing the imminent deadly threat, the officers did not hesitate to open fire, discharging 36 rounds in just 5 seconds. Remarkably, neither of the 2 employees were hit. The suspect, identified as Christopher Couch, later died. The item he used to threaten the employees was a hand tool with a 6-inch handle, designed for pulling nails, an everyday object that became a deadly weapon in his hands.
Right now.
Later that evening, Couch carried out a brazen carjacking in Lakewood. Police officers initiated a high-speed pursuit, but were forced to call it off due to Couch's dangerously reckless driving.
is County with a transfer North Park Villas and
Caller,
PC Jester.
next to the patient? Are you next to the patient, caller?
No.
No, okay. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my partner's help on the way.
Okay.
Okay, so what happened?
There's a man, we're in the neighborhood, we stay in the neighborhood. There's a man outside with the car. I was coming back from my appointment. He's outside with the cross. Mama, I'm on the phone, please. And he has a cross on his hand, and he's just stabbing himself in the chest and the neck. And he's just repeatedly doing it. He threw blood on my mom's car. It's his bucket full of blood. I don't know why he's doing this. I don't know what's going on. It's just, and he's doing it.
Where is he stabbing himself again?
His neck and chest. I promise you, there's blood gushing everywhere. Oh my God.
Houston, Texas, on May 1st, 2024, at approximately 7:17 p.m. Police were dispatched to the 3200 block of the Post and Bench Street in North Harris County. They reported a man acting erratically and causing a disturbance, holding a knife and a cross, blatantly obstructing traffic.
Drop it, drop it, drop it. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Sir, get the fuck back now. Get back. Oh, now give me some more units here. I got residents not wanting to back up. Get back, dude. Go to the taser. Oh, now let me get someone out here with a
2 minutes later, police arrived and confronted 61-year-old Emil Campicini, repeatedly issuing commands for him to step back. It was assumed that after dropping the knife, the tension would ease, but it did not. The suspect advanced directly towards the officers in a threatening manner.
Get on the ground. Get down. Get on the ground. 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 If he gets close, I'm gonna shoot him, bro.
Shots fired. 1 mil down.
Forced to fire in order to stop the escalating threat, police immediately administered aid to Campicini. However, he was pronounced dead at the scene, ending the tragedy in a horrifying instant.
I'm not gonna tell you again. Drop it. Drop it. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Sir, get the fuck back now. Get back. Oh, now give me some more units here. I got residents not wanting to back up. Get back, dude. Go to the taser. Oh, now let me get someone out here with a 40 mic.
With a 40 mic.
Get back, sir. Get the fuck back. I'm not gonna tell you again. You're gonna go to jail. Get back. You're too fucking close. Get back. Get back. Get on the ground. He's by the knife. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get down. Get on the ground. 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 If he gets close, I'm gonna shoot him, bro.
Shots fired. 1 mil.
Drop the knife!
I was able to get away from him, and then he kept attacking me. We need to get in control of these homeless people. With the machete, I have the machete in my hand.
Okay. Do you need
attack me with it, you know?
Do you need a paramedic, sir?
I don't know. No, I don't need a paramedic. No.
Okay.
I'll ask them right now. What is their address? Now, I don't know what's going to happen.
We're gonna send the officers out to do a report with you. I just need an address or cross street.
I don't know. Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm walking in with the machete. What's the address here?
233 Avenue San Luis.
Did you hear that?
233. What was the name of the street?
Avenue San Luis. It's McDonald's.
Los Angeles, California, on November 1st, 2023, at approximately 7:45 p.m. 35-year-old Benjamin Pritchard was reported wielding a large, menacing machete, attacking a victim in the parking lot of the 23300 block of San Luis Avenue. In his frenzied assault, Pritchard dropped the machete, but quickly drew another knife, forcing the terrified victim to flee for safety.
He was trying to the back of Sussex Valley Circle on the 101 freeway.
Oh, he's right there. Where? On the 101. Right there.
The other first line to the back of the next one is calling us the figure they know white, long blonde hair, green jacket, and dark shorts.
A little too close.
Go, go.
Fuck that.
Harrison's is now.
All right, get the taser, bro.
I got you.
We're gonna tase him right now.
Oh, he's running all the way down there.
He's running. If he runs towards these people, we're
Oh,
Stop,
yeah.
stop.
I got you.
Tipping your supervisor response.
Yeah, let's keep a slight distance.
Identify.
The fuck? Oh, shit.
Hey, drop that knife!
Respond to the back of identify.
21X98. Suspect's gonna be now armed with a bottle and a knife. Oh, shit.
21L30 West Bay Roger. 21X98. Investigation.
Lock your windows and roll up your... Lock your doors, roll up your windows.
Go!
Move.
2182 Road with X98 working out Calabash Road. Next to the 101
He's
freeway.
already running.
He's going into the...
2182 are you are
Hey! Drop the fucking bottle now!
Roger.
Careful, dude, careful. Yep. Hey, guys, get inside the building and lock the door.
I'm
He's armed with a knife.
Now, bro.
Calabasas Road near the 101 freeway.
This is the LAPD. Lock the doors.
Police quickly arrived on the scene and located Pritchard in the parking lot, holding a knife and a glass bottle. A pursuit was immediately initiated.
Careful, dude. Careful.
Hey, I said drop the
At the parking lot of a restaurant, officers were forced to deploy a taser twice. The first attempt was completely ineffective, but the second use finally caused Pritchard to collapse to the ground, shattering the glass bottle he was holding.
Hey, I said drop the fucking knife!
Let go of the knife now.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Goddamn knife! He goes in that restaurant, GIGA. Drop the knife now! Hey! Hey! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Pritchard later died from gunshot wounds. A cleaver was recovered at the location of the initial call, and the knife was recovered at the OIS scene. No officers or community members were injured in the incident.
Careful. Shots fired. Put it out. Don't fucking move. Drop the gun!
Milwaukee, Wisconsin, around 6:46 p.m. on June 12, 2025. Police received a report of two individuals openly brandishing firearms while being patrolled. An official investigation was initiated. However, the suspects fled immediately upon noticing the officers.
New dispatch.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground right now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Don't fucking move!
Hands up! Hands up!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
At an alley in the 4800 block of North 46th Street, police suddenly encountered one of the suspects, and a tense exchange of gunfire began.
I'm shot! Don't fucking move! You just fucking shot at me! You just shot me! I'm shot! Ah! Police! Police!
Blackmail, you're going on 4853, you're northbound. Behind the house, 4853.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground right now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Don't fucking move! Shots fired! Shots
During the intense shootout, one of the suspects, 39-year-old, and an officer were both struck by gunfire. The second suspect, 19, was apprehended without further incident, ending the threat from this individual. Fortunately, no one else was injured by the gunfire.
Ah!